Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove some pages from PDF file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To remove some pages from PDF file, I am going to remove some pages from this PDF file. Now go to your Google Chrome browser and type I love PDF and hit enter and open ilovepdf.com link. Go to all PDF tools and select remove pages. Now click on select PDF file and select the PDF file and click on open. The PDF file has been opened. I want to remove the page 1 and page 4 from my PDF, and look, just click on the page which you want to remove and you will find the pages to remove 1, 4. If you want to change your selection, just click here and I want to select 1 and 7 and then click on remove pages. The page has been removed. Now just click on download PDF. The PDF file is downloaded. Click and look, this one the removed PDF, and look, the selected page is removed from my PDF file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.